Welcome to this video on the top 5 generative AI certifications for 2025. Generative AI is one of the most exciting and transformative technologies of our time, capable of creating text, images, music, and even code. It's not just changing the way we work, it's transforming industries like healthcare, automobiles, finance, marketing, and entertainment. If you're looking to future-proof your career and tap into the immense opportunities in AI, earning a certification in Gen AI is the way to go. In this video, we'll explore 5 high-impact certifications that will help you gain cutting-edge skills, unlock high-paying job roles, and stand out in the competitive job market. So let's just dive in. What is generative AI and its scope? First, let's quickly recap what generative AI is. It's a type of artificial intelligence that generates new content based on patterns it has learned from data. Whether it's creating lifelike art with tools like DALL-E, writing personalized emails using ChatGPT, or even assisting in drug discovery, generative AI is reshaping industries. Here are some real-world applications. In healthcare, it helps us accelerate the drug discovery and diagnostics. In finance, it is helping us detect fraud and also automates processes. In entertainment, revolutionizing content creation for movies, music, and games. Marketing, it is helping us drive personalization and also automating campaigns. The possibilities are endless, and the demand for skilled professionals in generative AI is skyrocketing. Why should you get certified in generative AI? A certification in Gen AI validates your expertise in this fast-evolving field. It demonstrates your ability to use popular frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and APIs like OpenAI. Certifications also help you build practical skills like prompt engineering, fine-tuning AI models, and working with large datasets. Skills all employers value highly. By earning a generative AI certification, you can boost your career prospects in AI fields, increase your earning potential. Entry-level professionals earn around 7 lakhs per year in India, while senior professionals typically earn in the range of 14 to 26 lakhs. In the US, salaries range from $90,000 USD to $200,000 USD annually. Stand out in the competitive job market with validated expertise. Let's now explore the top certifications that can give you an edge in this thriving field. First is the Generative AI for Scrum Masters. This particular course focuses on learning how to integrate generative AI into agile workflows for improved productivity and innovation. The key skills which you gain here are AI-assisted project management, prompt engineering, and stakeholder communication. This would be ideal for Scrum Masters and agile professionals who are aiming to enhance team efficiency using AI tools. The second course you want to talk about is the Generative AI for Project Managers. This course focuses on mastering AI-driven risk assessment, resource allocation, and project optimization. The key skills which you get are hands-on experience with AI tools like ChatGPT and Azure AI Studio. This would be ideal for project managers who want to leverage AI for better decision-making and execution. The third course you want to talk about is the Generative AI for Product Owners and Product Managers. This course focuses on empowering product leaders with AI-based solutions for product innovation and market insights. The key skills which you gain through this particular course is fine-tuning AI models, user behavior analysis, and data-driven product strategies. It's ideal for product owners and managers who are looking to incorporate AI into their product lifecycle. So the fourth course we want to talk about today is Generative AI for Business Analysts. What is the focus of this course? We want you to help transform business analysis using AI to streamline processes and drive strategic outcomes. The key skills which you will gain are AI-driven document automation, requirements analysis, task prioritization, and business solution evaluation. Are you ideal for this course? If you're a business analyst seeking to enhance your capabilities and stay ahead in data-driven environments, it's for you. The fifth and the final course we'll talk about is the AI Engineer Bootcamp. It is a comprehensive program to build, deploy, and fine-tune AI models. The key skills you gain: advanced concepts like GANs, transformers, and large language model fine-tuning. It's ideal for aspiring AI engineers and data scientists. Generative AI is transforming industries and careers alike. If you're ready to future-proof your career, it's time to take the first step. Explore Upgrad Knowledge Hut's Generative AI certifications and equip yourself with the tools to lead in this exciting domain. Check out the links in the description for more details and start your journey today. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates on trending certifications and career tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.